Welcome to Soothing Pods Meditation. In this meditation, we will be connecting with our heart's deepest longings, with the values and dreams that nourish and inspire us. Then we will set an intention of commitment to follow the path, even if at present it is unknown, that will guide us to a more complete embodiment of these visions. To begin this meditation, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Let your crown reach gently up for the sky and your shoulders to gently drop. Your hands can relax wherever they are comfortable, and then close your eyes if you've not yet done so. Now, take a moment to arrive in this space by honoring your connection with the earth beneath you. Feel into each inch of your body that is in contact with the physical world, holding your awareness there for a few moments. Now, I invite you to deepen this connection by envisioning invisible roots connecting you to the earth itself. As these roots connect you to the physical world, they will provide you with the vital energy you require to move in the direction of your heart's longings. Imagine yourself absorbing this inspired energy. And once you feel deeply grounded and supported by the earth's energy, let these invisible roots dissolve as you let your awareness land on your breath. Watch each full breath as it cycles into the next one. Note any sensations associated with its movement. You do not need to change the breath in any way. Simply observe its gentle and nourishing flow. Watch as it comes in, as it moves out, and as it naturally transitions into the next. If the mind wanders at any point during this meditation, know that this is entirely natural. Simply come back to the breath or any other guidance that is offered. Spend just a few more silent moments grounding yourself through the breath, preparing for a deeper commitment to your heart's highest visions and values. From the opening lines of a poem called The Invitation, Oriah Mountain Dreamer writes, "It doesn't interest me what you do for a living. I want to know what you ache for, and if you dare to dream of meeting your heart's longing." These words are a powerful invitation to consider. What is it my heart longs for? And can I dream of meeting whatever it is I find there? Sometimes we are sure of the vision of our dream, but are unsure of the road to get there. Other times, we're not quite sure what the dream is to begin with. We might have a sense of some of the values we long to experience and embody, but we may not have a clue as to what form that will take. If either of the above is true for us, there is good news. First, we do not need to know the direct pathway to get where we wish to be. All we need to do is to commit to taking that first step in the direction of our dreams. The rest will unfold. Secondly, even if we are unsure of what our most authentic dream is, we likely have a sense of the values that we long for. Perhaps a life of compassion, creativity, connection to nature, or to family is at the top of our list. Whatever virtue or value we connect with, that can be the dream we commit to. It is also important to note that our dreams can evolve over time. Perhaps we begin with a yearning to care for others, which might initially take the form of raising young children. Later, this might evolve into becoming a nurse, a holistic therapist, or the founder of an animal shelter. Be open to the exact details of your dreams growing as you do. Now, take a moment to come into your heart. Just spend some time connecting with that space as you breathe in and out of it for a few silent moments. And now inquire with this loving, joyful, compassionate place in the center of your chest. Take a moment to ask it, what is it you long for? What dreams or values do you long for me to commit to? Sink into silence to allow whatever is there to arise. Now, from the whispers that have arisen for you, take a moment to form an intention of commitment to this dream or set of values. When it is formulated in a single sentence, repeat it to yourself 3 times. Come back to your breath when you are finished. Spend just a few moments feeling the energy of your commitment. Let an inner smile spread through you as you reaffirm the validity and beauty of your dreams. Come back to the ebb and flow of your breath now. And then to the earth or seat beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes now to reawaken your body. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.